My name is Margie Hill, and I'm an acrylic artist. I would like to introduce you to my Patreon page. Patreon is a way that I can get support so that I can keep creating artwork for everyone. It is the digital way of painting on the street corner and getting tips. Patreon is a way you can donate small amounts of money to me, and in return you allow me to create more completed pieces of artwork. As a patron, you get to see more of my artwork I'm creating in progress, get updates, and prints in the mail. If you wish to pay a certain amount per month, you can put a cap on how much so it doesn't charge you over the amount you wish to pay. I focus on the beauty around me, and I hope to share it with as many people as I can. I want to reach out to each person and give them the hope that I feel each time I create a new piece of artwork. Creativity takes time. First, I need the inspiration, and that's what I get from my low country area. I also like to create each artwork with vibrant colors so I can set the tone for the background. And then I blend the colors myself. Later, I go over it with different brushes to get the details just right. Another reason for my Patreon page is to allow me to teach others how I create my artwork, and that is very satisfying for me. I can create the tutorials on YouTube and on Google Hangout. Thank you for your support. Please check out my website at www.themargieart.com.